Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make two different types of spicy tuna hand rolls called temaki and how to make tuna nigiri sushi. This is my hungiri. It's used to mix the sushi rice with seasoned vinegar and it helps to cool the rice evenly. You don't necessarily need one of these. I usually use a large plate at home, but if I have guests over I'll break this out. For the spicy tuna rolls, I'm going to use cucumber, taquan, which is a pickled daikon radish, daikon sprouts, avocado, and tobiko, which is a flying fish roe. I'm going to set this aside for now, but sometimes I'll just leave everything out and have it build your own sushi bar. Next, I'm going to dice my big eye tuna and have it ready to make my spicy tuna mix. Now to make the spicy tuna mix, I use 2 cups of tuna, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of hot sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon each of black and white sesame seed. And now for the fun part of making the hand rolls. The trick to this is making sure that your hands are nice and wet when you pick up the rice, otherwise it's going to stick to your fingers. Then after that, it's just build it as you want. If you want a lot of cucumber or you want a lot of avocado, just put it in there. When you have everything that you want, you just roll it up and then eat it. It's ready to go. And this is a cone-shaped temaki. These are a little trickier to make because you have to make them in your hand. If you're not really good at it, I prefer making the other ones just because they're a lot easier and they come out better, but these are just as good. Alright, and to make nigiri, you want to start with 2 tablespoons of rice and work it into a little ball in your hands. Rub the fish with a little bit of wasabi, put the rice in, press with your 2 fingers twice, turn it over, and you just want to pinch on the sides until the rice is kind of stuck to the fish, and there you go, you get your beautiful nigiri. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. See you next time.